Gordon Life from Raleigh, North Carolina. I've been in the construction business for about 35 years, commercial construction, and it disappeared on me. And a couple days after I got laid off last time, a friend called me from Sunday school and said, I got something I want to look at. Went to a meeting, and Bill Harloff was doing a presentation, and man, everybody there was getting in. And I got excited, and we got in. And he's done everything he can do to help us be successful in this business. And just can't say enough about him and his team. And you need to be part of it. So get involved.